Hi, welcome back. The aim of this stage is to help you to let go of your unsuccessful struggle with asthma so that you can move on to do what you really want to do by including asthma as a real aspect of your life. Imagine you're in a tug of war with some huge asthma monster. You've got one end of the rope and the monster has the other end. In between you, there's a huge bottomless pit. You're pulling backward as hard as you can, but the monster keeps on pulling you ever closer to the pit. What's the best thing to do in that situation? Pulling harder comes naturally, but the harder you pull, the harder the monster pulls. You're stuck. What do you need to do? Dropping the rope means the monster's still there, but you're no longer tied up in a struggle with it. Now you can do something more useful. There's an issue that underlies the question of willingness. Can you make a commitment and keep to it? Is it possible for you to say, it would work for me in my life to do this, and therefore I'm doing it, and then do it? And if you slip or fail at the attempt, to turn right around and do it again. Is commitment a real possibility, not only in the area of emotional discomfort and disturbing thoughts around asthma, but in other areas of life as well? This is not about someone else's life or standards. This is about you and your standards. We're also not talking about something that will necessarily feel good. In fact, I'm predicting that the first thing you'll encounter, if you haven't already, is your own mind blabbing at you, criticizing you, and predicting failure, and so on. My question to you is, knowing that all these things will happen, and that you may not always live up to your commitment each and every day, are you 100% willing to commit yourself to this? Are you willing to do what would work to enhance your life, and to have whatever thoughts, feelings, or memories arise around asthma as you do it? What stands in the way of you setting your willingness on high right now? See you soon for the next lesson.